Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a new product from Lithium Auto Elixirs. This is called their Inner Space. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're going to be taking a look at Lithium Auto Elixirs' new Inner Space. And this product is an interior detailer, also a conditioner from Lithium Auto Elixirs. And one thing I want to point out is look at that labeling. That labeling is top notch. Absolutely love it. Looks really, really good. That chrome on the top with their little Lithium logo branded. I can't say enough. I absolutely love the labeling on this product. It looks really, really good. So this is 16 ounces of enlightenment, as you can see right there at the bottom. I absolutely love what Lithium Auto Elixirs puts on some of their products for their descriptions or directions, or just 16 ounces of enlightenment as they put on this one. So we'll be taking a look at this product. I will show you the before. I will do kind of a showing the dirtiness. It's not super dirty, but the interior that we're going to be cleaning on the Dodge Charger. So I'm just going to basically go over the interior, show that to you, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and read what they have to say about their inner space on the back and directions of use. That way we can kind of see what the interior looks like, what we're going to be tackling on it. Nothing crazy, anything hard, but I do want a nice factory look with some protection. So hopefully the Inner Space from Lithium Auto Elixirs will deliver what I'm looking for, but all that and more coming up. But what Lithium Auto Elixirs has to say about their Inner Space, it says Inner Space Interior Detailer. To us, detailing spray is always that final touch of perfection that takes a car, or anything for that matter, from clean to exceptional. As with lithium products, our first goal is to make the surface healthy and well protected from the elements. Next is to make it look brand new. We mean as close as you can get to the day it rolled off the line. Inner Space is a low sheen conditioner that will do just that. It is perfect for plastics, leather, vinyl, and rubber. And then just a few keynotes they have: protects and restores, shields against UV rays, low sheen factory look. The directions are very simple and easy, but on the back of the bottle they state, spray directly onto the desired surface. In tight spots, apply directly onto a microfiber towel to avoid overspray. Then stop and imagine how your car looked when it was new and wipe dry with a clean microfiber towel. Wow, your vision just came true. Use 2 applications on older surfaces. Using Inner Space on woods, fabric, or painted areas is not recommended. So there's the interior and what Lithium Auto Elixirs has to say about Inner Space. I do know that it has a very, very great amount of UV protection in here, which is super, super good. I love seeing and hearing that because you definitely want to protect your interior surfaces, such as your dash, anything that is in direct sunlight, even your door panels at the tops of them. So anything that's in direct sunlight, you need that UV protection in your interior to help protect your plastics from weathering, cracking, fading, any of that. So with this product, it is going to do that. It has high amounts of UV protection in it, so that is very, very good and really, really cool. I do like that. I also love how they're saying that it is a low sheen. I don't really like high glossy interiors, anything that's real oily or sticky looking. To me, that attracts dust and dirt, kind of makes it stick and cling onto that surface. So if you can use a product that basically, once you use it, it is dry to the touch after you've used it, and you have a nice low sheen out of it because it's not really leaving anything behind, it is going to be less apt to getting dirt or dust, anything attracting, getting stuck to that surface. So real quick before we get started, I do want to smell this product. I have not put the sprayer in yet, but you can see here it is open. And it has a really, really nice, I would say kind of a tropical, fruity scent. But it does smell really, really good. Is that something that is important if the product smells good? Not necessarily. But it is always really, really nice when working with a product that does smell good. That way it just kind of rounds out that really awesome, nice user experience with that product. And this smells really, really good. I also like interior products, whether it's a detailer, a cleaner, whatever it is, that smells really good because you're going to have that leftover fragrance after you've cleaned inside the car, inside the cabin. It's not going to stick around and last super, super long. Although I don't know and I can't speak on this product, but other products I've used, it doesn't stick in there real long, but you do have that nice clean scent, that fruity scent that you're gonna get with this for a little while after cleaning the inside. So I'm gonna be just using a shorter nap. I believe it's like a 400 GSM microfiber towel. These are what I really love to use for cleaning kind of any interior surfaces. They are nice and soft. I went ahead and got my sprayer in on the inner space. It does have a spray setting or a stream setting. I'm gonna basically just do roughly half of the door so we can see a before and an after of how it looks. And then we will come in and take a closer look to see how it finishes out. So we'll just do a couple sprays. Nothing crazy. We do not want to oversaturate or soak the surface. And it is working in, and it is doing a nice job, a light clean. And it's making, as they stated, that surface look like it did when this rolled off of the showroom floor. It is doing a really, really nice job. It's not hard to work with. And as you can see there, that has done a really, really good job. I'm just gonna flip the microfiber over. I always like to do that, basically just kind of knock anything down that might be left on there. Really, there's nothing left on here at all. It is just finishing out. It's very, very level. It's not shiny, and it's looking really, really good. So I'm absolutely loving what I'm seeing out of this product. It has some nice light cleaning abilities to it. You can definitely tell this surface looks like brand new. It is not greasy or oily at all. Very, very easy to work with. There's not any kind of like high spots that it is left behind. Overall, this stuff has worked really, really good on this door. I will bring you in closer to show you. There is a nice 50-50 line here. So we'll take a look at the before and the after, but it has done an awesome job, and there's a few more surfaces that I want to try it on, bring you along to show you, to see how it performs on them. So definitely stay tuned to the rest of this video. So coming in to look, this is the before side. And as we come over, you can see the after. It has done an awesome, awesome job. Same with down here. There's that 50-50 line you can see right here. So here is the before. Lightly soiled, lightly dirty. Then here is the after. Would you look at that? That surface looks brand new. It looks absolutely awesome. So this is a softer touch leather here. Same with the door rest. Then if you come down here, this is a hard plastic. So right over here, this is the before. You can see some light dirt. And then right here is the after. Nice low sheen. It's cleaned any of that light dirt off there and looks absolutely amazing. Dry to the touch. What more can you ask? This product is working very, very easy. As you can see, it is very level. There is nothing on here, any high spots. It has done just such an absolutely amazing job. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this door done. I'll bring you in to show you the rest of the door once it's done. Then we will head inside. We will do some on the dash. There's also the touch screen. So a few things within the car. I'm curious to see how it does with that. Okay, so this door is completely done. My overall thoughts after doing just this door, the scent is absolutely amazing. It is such a nice, great scent, but I cannot get over how this door looks. It has a nice light sheen to it. It is not glossy. It is not shiny. You can tell it is very, very well hydrated and protected. Has some very nice light cleaning powers, abilities to it, especially on the soft leather inside the door. And then it did absolutely amazing on the bottom of the door. This is all hard plastic and has done so good. We will come in and take a closer look at this. I honestly can't get enough of it. We'll go over the hard plastic here. As you can see, looks absolutely phenomenal. Looks really, really good. Super, super easy to use. We'll come up here to the leather armrest and the leather insert. Once again, very, very clean, very well hydrated and protected. This is exactly what you want out of an interior detailer like this. As you can see, the switches here, done an awesome job cleaning the plastic switches. I cannot say enough great things about this product. just after using it just on this door. I'm absolutely loving it, but as I mentioned, there's a few more things within the car that I want to clean and see how it tackles and how it'll do. Another thing I'm curious about is if you get some on the glass, how easy it is to come off. So we're gonna check out how it is coming off the glass if you get some on it. So we're gonna check out how it acts if you get it on the glass. So if you're spraying this panel, I know I've already done it, I'm gonna spray it so I get some overspray on the glass. As you can see there is quite a bit on the glass. So you're gonna come in, basically work it into your panel. You got that little bit that's on the glass. So I'm gonna take my microfiber towel, I'm actually gonna turn it inside out here. And I'm gonna come to a dry side. I'm going to wipe the glass, and I am really blown away right away. It wiped off with one swipe. There was a lot on the glass. Of course, you can come back in, and just to make sure that it is off, there is not any streaking. That wiped off with absolute ease. I am blown away with how easy that wiped off the glass. Normally it just kind of gets built up on there, it kind of smears, it kind of streaks, and it did not smear or streak at all on the glass, as you can see. Just kind of go back and forth a little bit so you can see the glass. Still very, very clean, very clear, no streaking, smudges, or anything. I really, really like that because glass can be such a pain when you get an interior detailer overspray on the glass trying to get it off. So now coming in, this is the touch screen. You can see there is a few smudges. I'm going to just do one nice quick spray in the microfiber. I'm going to come in, and this will also show you how easy it'll come off of the glass. I know this is not glass. Flip the microfiber towel over and buff off any kind of residue that might be left behind. That did such a great, easy job. As you can see, there's not any fingerprints left on the touchscreen. Just a few quick, easy wipes, and it is literally gone. This stuff is absolutely amazing me. It has blown me away, and I am loving how great it is working. So here for the dash, you can just come in, do a couple sprays, not really worrying about any kind of product that might get sprayed up onto the windshield because it buffs off so easy on the glass. And basically just come in here, work it in, and it is doing such an amazing job. It looks absolutely phenomenal. I love the finish that it is leaving behind. I cannot get enough of this stuff. This stuff is just a great, great product. So coming in for a closer look, here is the dash. You can see right in here is where I stopped. But the dash looks super, super nice. There's not any kind of difference in the color. As you come in, you can tell that this surface is hydrated, protected, and just absolutely clean from any kind of dust or anything that was on the dash, and it just looks super, super good. Very, very impressed with this product. It works well on everything in the interior of this car right here. There is a few things if you have some wood or anything not to use it on, but it's done such a phenomenal job. One last thing I want to do real quick is this door seal here, just to show that it does have some light dirt on it. Don't mind how messy the floor mat is. I will get around to cleaning that. Few sprays in the microfiber. Literally just went over it once, came back over it. It cleaned that light dirt off from your shoes scuffing in and out with ease, and it looks absolutely amazing. I know I keep saying it, but how easy this product is and the finish that it is leaving is, it is definitely one of my favorites. It is my favorite because this finish that it is leaving behind, you can tell that it is very, very hydrated. It has a nice sheen to it. It is not super glossy or shiny. It's not dull. You can just tell that it is protected and hydrated. It looks phenomenal. It looks just like when the car was brand new, and it is just super, super easy to use. I cannot say enough good things about it. Hopefully you like some of these areas that I've highlighted. I'll do some before and some afters real quick too, just so you guys can kind of see a little bit more of the product. But hopefully you enjoyed seeing this Lithium Auto Elixirs inner space working on this car and the great, great job that it has been doing. there you go. There is the Lithium Auto Elixirs Inner Space. This product, honestly, absolutely love it. This, for me, is a must-have product. Not just saying that. Must-have. I'll name a few reasons why. Big reason, scent is absolutely amazing when you're using it. I know scent's not everything, but the scent of this is very, very good. But that is not where it stops. This stuff has some nice cleaning power to it, nothing crazy. If you're going to try to clean something super, super dirty, it's not going to do it. That's not the product for this. This is an interior detailer. Just basically detailing light dirt, normal use, making it look good. So it does clean very well for that, but the way it makes the surface look and feel, that's where this product right here shines. Absolutely amazing. For me, the finish is perfect. That is the finish that I want out of an interior detailer. This stuff leaves it perfect for me. That is my liking, but you can tell as I was showing, the surface is clean. You can tell it is very, very hydrated, and you can tell there is some protection on there. So this is an all-around great product. Recommend it 100%. Definitely a 2 thumbs up product. Lithium Auto Elixirs Inner Space. I will drop a link in the video description down below where you can pick this product up at, but I highly, highly recommend it. Absolutely love this product, blown away by it. The labeling, the way it works, the way it smells, nothing bad to say about it at all. Yes, I am kind of geeking out over this product a little bit right now, but it has just worked so good. I want to thank you all so much for stopping in and checking out this video. Remember, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Also, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below what you thought of the video, if you like the content, what you thought of this product. If you have or haven't used it, maybe it's something you're thinking about picking up, feel free, drop those comments down below. Even if you want to just recommend a video you want to see in the future, do that too. I take all that into account and I appreciate you guys' feedback, but I want to thank you all so much for stopping and checking out this video, and I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.
Shaka on the beats, 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 Shaka on the beats.